Spread joy and sweetness with this syrup dispenser. Nice packaging, great color, good quality. Easy to refill. Just unscrew the top of the bottle and fill it with your favorite syrup. The bottom spots pour remain closed when it's not in use. Say goodbye to the mess in your kitchen. Caps designed for convenience. If you press and hold the top, the syrup is going out. This container holds up to 12 ounces of your favorite syrup. No drips or spills on your countertop. Remember to press the trigger to the flow go out or release it if you want the flow to stop. This dispenser is a must in every chef's home. It's easy to clean. Unscrew the top and the bottom so you make sure everything is gonna be clean. You can choose to wash by hand or in a dishwasher. Dishwasher safe glass ensure convenience for maintenance. Perfect for a gift.